The available MyHyundai with Bluelink app gives you the ability to control many aspects and features of your Hyundai. To use it, you must have a vehicle equipped with Bluelink, have an active Hyundai Bluelink account, and have the MyHyundai with Bluelink app installed on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and log into your Bluelink account. For EVs, the home screen will show the charge level and approximate range. PHEVs will additionally show the fuel level and range. Selecting Charge allows you to start and stop charging, as well as adjust settings such as charge schedules. For more information on these settings, see the Bluelink Charge Management video. You can also use in-app charging and plug-in charge on select models. For more information on these features, see the videos on the HyundaiUSA YouTube channel. Select Vehicle Status, and you can check on many vehicle states, such as whether the doors are locked, the trunk is closed, fluid levels, and other items. You can also instantly refresh the information by pulling down on the screen, either here or on the home screen. The home screen offers many different available commands. You can choose to show your vehicle location on a map. You can also select flash horn and lights to help you locate it. You can remotely lock or unlock your vehicle. You can use Climate Start and set the temperature and features you wish to use. You can set the front and rear defrosters to operate, set the steering wheel to warm if equipped, and set the seats to warm or ventilate if equipped. If your vehicle has the Valet Mode feature, you can access information on it on the app as well. See the Valet Mode video for more information on this feature. Models with Digital Key and Digital Key Premium can create, send, and remove digital keys. See the Digital Key video for your smartphone model for more information on this feature. You can access vehicle safeguard alerts, turn them on or off, and adjust their settings. These settings include Speed Alert, Valet Alert, Curfew Alert, and Geofence Alert. You should know that for remote climate start using Bluelink to work, the vehicle must have been started using the Start-Stop button within the last 4 days. It must also have all doors, hood, and trunk or liftgate closed and locked. And the vehicle must be in park. Also, you should not use remote start on a PHEV, hybrid, or non-electrified vehicle if the vehicle is in an enclosed garage or other small enclosed area. You can also choose to have the app notify you when you leave your door unlocked or windows open, when safeguard settings are breached, and many other areas. Select Menu, then Settings. Here you can turn on push notifications and also adjust your notification preferences. For more information on Bluelink in your Hyundai, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at MyHyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com, MyHyundai, and the HyundaiUSA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.